Chinmayi. Today I am going to be telling you how to go about making your own DIY sheet mask of sorts at home. So let me take you right in. Put it onto your face. Put it on. Next up are my foundation brushes. Today I am going to be giving you two variants. The first is something that's like time tested. My mother used to be using it for a very long time. Okay, so the first is take equal parts of rose water, lemon juice and glycerin. Either if you want to use it on a spray bottle, you can go ahead and do it. You can put it on your face or basically on any exposed part of your body 15-20 minutes every day if you have that time, and then take a shower and leave. Or if you want to go into an intensive mask, just take a few cotton rounds or cotton pieces, or if you have a simple muslin cloth that you will get in any skincare store or any makeup retail store, you will find very thin muslin. So you can actually make squares of it and then wet it into this particular solution of glycerin, rose water and lemon juice, and then apply it around your neck, on your face, on your forehead, and then just let it dry and then take it off. That is one. The second option that I am going to be giving you is a little an additional step. I would request you to go and get what is called a licorice or mulethi if you speak Hindi, or atimadhuram if you speak Tamil, Telugu. So if you can actually go to a local herbalist or a natu marundu kada and ask them for atimadhuram. Atimadhuram is also very good for your voice. If you use your voice a lot in your job, if you work in a call center, if you are a teacher, if you, basically somebody who uses your voice a lot, you can actually take atimadhuram and long tail pepper, which is val melagu, and then just boil these and then put it in your water bottle and just drink this water throughout the day. If you are not interested in even boiling, you can just put the licorice into your water bottle maybe the previous night. A lot of people have started using copper water bottles these days, so you can just put licorice in that copper water bottle and just drink that water through the day. So that has become a voice sort of a thing, but that's not what I was getting to. The second skincare sheet mask essence of sorts that you can make at home is take some of this licorice, take this atimadhuram, then boil it in water, say about half a glass of water. Take a small piece of atimadhuram, boil it in half a glass of water, let it reduce to half its quantity. So, you will be left with about 1/4 cup water. Now, include this water. You can add 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then you can just use this as a mask. This will brighten your skin over time, but please, with anything to do with herbal ingredients or anything else, don't expect magical miraculous effects from the first word go. So if you want to, you could do this after your double cleanse routine at night, or you could do this in the morning before you bathe and then just go about it. So if you want to apply it on your skin, let it dry off and then wash off, that's fine as well. Or you can just, as I said, use it on cotton rounds. I see that Amazon also has these cotton face masks that you can actually, which they sell in sets of hundreds. I am going to be linking it down below. So you can just dip that into this liquid, and if you want it a little cold, you can actually store this in the refrigerator as well. Put it onto your face and then that's about it. This will work. This is something that will work. This also costs only a few couple of bucks, I think, if you had to make it at home and had to use it over a prolonged period of time. So that's about it. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye bye.